Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Commerce Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be talking to you about a few ways that you can order checks for Commerce Bank. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give the person that you're paying the check. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Commerce Bank account number and routing number on it. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Commerce Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, commercebank.com. You can also check the description for the link to Commerce Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be by logging on to your Commerce Bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the menu button, which is located on the home screen at the top right corner. It's the 3 lines right up here. So you'll click on that, and then that's going to bring down this drop-down menu where it already has online banking selected, and you'll enter your customer ID. Click log in, and then it'll prompt you to enter your password. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and then order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Commerce Bank. You can usually find this number located on the back of your Commerce Bank debit card, and that is probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Commerce Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that is something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Commerce Bank. I already have a tab up with this, and I've already typed in order replacement checks for Commerce Bank. Now you'll have to scroll down a little bit because it gives you the customer service number if you want it to go that way. So that's a pretty easy way to find it. But if you scroll down, keep scrolling down, towards the bottom of the page, you'll start seeing your third-party vendor websites. These include websites such as Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks, and then you can go to more results, and you'll find even more of these websites where that prices and security features will vary when ordering checks online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Commerce Bank account and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Commerce website or through their customer service number, routing number and account number will not automatically be loaded, and so you'll have to enter them manually, and it's extremely important to get them exactly correct. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please check out the description for more information about Commerce Bank.